In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit category page in WordPress with Elementor. By the end, you'll know how to set up a category for your posts, add design power with a plugin, and make visual changes using Elementor, then save everything properly. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Posts, then click Categories. This is where you organize your blog content. In the name field, type the name of your category exactly as you want it to appear on your site. You can also add a short description if you like, which some themes display on category pages. When you're ready, add the category so it's available to use. Next, let's prepare Elementor with extra design options. Go to Plugins in the left menu and choose Add New. In the search bar, type Royal Add-ons. You're looking for Royal Add-ons for Elementor. Click Install Now, and once the installation finishes, click Activate. This adds a large set of widgets and templates that work inside Elementor, giving you more flexibility when designing the content that appears in your categories and posts. Now head back to your content. Click Posts, then All Posts, and pick the blog post you want to work on. Open it and click Edit with Elementor. If you don't see that button, make sure Elementor is installed and active on your site, and that your theme supports it for posts. Inside the Elementor editor, you'll see the Widgets panel on the left. Scroll or use the search bar to find the Royal Add-ons widgets. They're grouped and clearly labeled. Drag the widget you want onto the canvas. For example, you can bring in advanced headings, post list elements, or design blocks that help your post layout look consistent with what you want on your category pages. Use the Content and Style tabs in the left panel to customize text, images, spacing, colors, and typography. Take your time to align the design with your site's look. You can preview at any point using the preview icon and switch to tablet or mobile views to make sure everything is responsive. When you're done, click Update to save your changes. It's a good idea to view the post on the front end and then navigate to its category to see how the updates feel within that category's context. That's it. You created or confirmed a category, enhanced your tools with Royal Add-ons, edited your post with Elementor using those widgets, and saved your work. Repeat these steps for other posts to build a consistent experience across your category pages.